So this is just a CAD analysis for Monday the 20th of August, and now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we've had this move to the upside. Encounter resistance in around that 3160. We've had a deep retracement down towards this 200 period average, from which we've held support in around a 200 period average, breaking back above 3069. Held support around 3069, saw this continuation beyond 3111 all the way up towards that 3160s. Trade slightly beyond the 3160s in towards 3170s, but we've encountered resistance, had the retracement back down towards that 3111, coming with a couple of pips or so. The 3111 held support, retested the 3160s, and again we've encountered difficulty in around that 3160. From which we have seen this rather sharp acceleration momentum here to the downside, possibly news related. Had a brief bullish bounce from that 3070, didn't quite get up towards that 3111, came within a couple of pips of that 3111, broke above the 31. Broke above the 31, but didn't quite get towards that 3111, came within a couple of pips. So the sell side momentum take us beyond. We weren't able to close above the 200 period average here. And what we did see was a breakdown beyond 3070, and at present we do appear to be testing at 3070. So if we do test the 3070, we do hold resistance around 3070. We're looking for moves down towards this 130 here on the US dollar CAD. A successful break from which we're then looking for prices to head down towards 129.44. Now we've previously found support in around at 129.60 or so. But ultimately, we're looking for price head down towards a 129.44 here on the US dollar CAD. If we do see a follow through, and beyond that, we're looking for a move down towards that 129 here on the US dollar CAD. If we do progress beyond the 129.44, if, however, we do break and hold above the 130.70, then looking for a test of that 200 period average, successful break from which we're ultimately looking for a move up towards the 31.11. Beyond that, we're looking for 31.60, from which we've previously encountered resistance here, here on the US dollar CAD. If we were to trade beyond the 31.60, the very next level of note here to the upside would be a move up towards that 31.88 here on the US dollar CAD. What we'll do now is have a look here at the we'll have a look here at the higher time frames to see how prices are developing. So we'll have a look here at the monthly chart, get scaling here correct, and as you can see here on this monthly chart, our stance is rather bullish. We have our lows, we've had a strong move to the upside, pullback, posted higher lows, and so far, as you can see here, we've got this trend here to the upside on the US dollar CAD. Here on the we've had a trend here to on the US dollar CAD towards the if we can hold above the 130s, possibly looking for that continuation towards the mid 130s here on the US dollar CAD. We'll have a look here at the weekly time frame. So on this weekly time frame, we do have our lows. On this weekly time frame, we have our lows, we have higher lows still. Had this continuation to the upside, tested the 133, I think it was 133.83. Had the pullback from there, had a brief bullish bounce, and we do appear having a bit of a retracement here on the US dollar CAD. If we are to see this continued theme here to the upside, where we've had a series of higher lows, we'll be then looking for prices set up towards that 133.83. If we can break and hold back above the 31.88, 32.54, and beyond that, we're looking for a move up towards. Beyond that, we're looking for a move up towards the mid 130s, as mentioned previously. Overall trend does appear bullish, and finally, we'll have a look here at the daily chart. And here on the daily chart of the US dollar CAD, we do have our highs, we do have lower highs. Had price coming down towards 130, trade beyond 130, couldn't close beyond it with any significance. And what we have seen is a move beyond the 131 here to the upside. We've had this pullback. We've more recently been in a bit of a trading range. So we'll see if we can continue to hold above the 30.70 for a continuation to the upside, or if from this trading range we do break to the downside, and this becoming our third lower high of some significance here on the US dollar CAD, and we see that fall through to the downside, possibly down towards at 128.39 here on the US dollar CAD. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar CAD analysis. Thanks for watching.